The Google Pixel 4 is packed with some revolutionary technology to help ease your everyday life. Like your personal Google Assistant, which lets you navigate the phone and use different apps with just your voice. And then there's the much anticipated Motion Sense, which uses quick gestures so you can use the phone without even touching it. So Google has created a smartphone to keep your hands off. But we've come here, to Google, to get our hands on. Shall we? One of our favourite features of Pixel 3 was its excellent camera, and the Pixel 4 builds on that legacy. On the back of the phone there's two rear cameras, a 12 megapixel and a 60 megapixel telephoto lens. You'll get studio quality photos, no editing required. It has 8 times optical zoom to get you closer than ever before. Earlier we took Pixel 4 out to capture London landmarks from a whole new angle. That zoom really gets you close in while retaining incredible picture quality. And if you're outside on a cloudless night and point your phone to the stars, you can even get pictures of the Milky Way, pushing mobile photography to a new frontier. Then there's video. The Pixel 4 will shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second, adding some silver screen magic to your home videos. And even though the Pixel 4 can do so much more, it comes with a battery that lasts all day and charges fast. Pixel's adaptive battery learns your favourite apps and reduces power to the ones you rarely use. And switching between your favourite games and apps is smooth and seamless thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset. But there's more. The Pixel 4 is built around the things you do every day. While getting your hands dirty, you can use gestures to interact with your phone. Motion Sense detects your hand gestures so you can skip music tracks, snooze alarms and even silence phone calls, all without getting that beautiful 5.7-inch OLED screen covered in fingerprints. This incredible technology complements the new Google Assistant. Just squeeze your Pixel 4 or say, "Hey Google," to activate. "Hey Google, add dinner reservations for Monday night into my calendar." You can still send texts, get directions and plan your day. Want to unlock your phone? Use Face Unlock and the Pixel 4 will recognise you and unlock straight away. Another brilliant feature you'll wonder how you live without. Pre-order your game-changing Google Pixel 4 exclusively in Oh So Orange from Carphone Warehouse today.